All right, what's going on YouTube? How are y'all doing today? My name is Danny and welcome to the channel. So today what I plan on doing is rebuilding my shocks, but I plan on rebuilding them and I plan on using 40 weight. So we're going to be using this right here. This is 40 weight Team Low C. I don't know if it's going to focus, maybe it will. Shock oil. It is 40 weight, as you can see. Again, focus. Focus. I think you're gonna focus. Maybe not. Anyways, it's 40 weight. I initially tried to put 70 weight in there, but it was way too thick, and I'll explain why it's too thick and show exactly why in this video when I get to that point. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. So we're just gonna roll on with the time lapse of me rebuilding them. I will be putting all the old oil in here, not tossing it out, not throwing it away, nothing like that. That's not what I want to do. The next thing I want to do after this will be rebuilding my center differential with this right here, which is I can't really, it's not going to show up well, but it's 20 million. I don't know if you can see that. 20 mil right there. Focus, maybe it'll focus. No, anyways, 20 million. You get the gist of that as well. That's differential fluid. We'll be putting that in because I want standing backflips. I want this darn thing to, when I punch it, it goes backwards over itself. The shock oil I had in my shocks, I'm switching gears because I have ADD. Whoop. The shock oil I have in my shocks though is currently 47 weight. So I'm going down, I'm making it a little thinner. I tested it out with one of my shocks, which is this one. It's completely cleaned and rebuilt already, so you can kind of see what the end product is. It's going to be a nice, clean, and lovely looking shock. And it feels pretty good. If I let go, watch how fast. Nice and smooth. It's going to be great. So let's get into it. Let's do a time lapse of me rebuilding. I will switch to different views possibly. Maybe in the next video. I don't know. Depending on how I feel. Enjoy. And yeah, this is the process of me rebuilding my shocks. If there's anything important, I will stop the time lapse and explain it. Like I'm gonna show y'all what the inside looks like and why I can't use thicker shock oil in these without some modifications.
It's a good day, and that's all we gotta do. Roll out of bed, sunny side up, just one of those days you wish would never end. Well, I've been down this road, and I know what comes around goes around. If you plant the seeds of kindness, it'll break through solid ground.
All right, so this is one of those things. Let me go. I'm gonna switch over to my other camera, and I'm gonna take a picture of it, actually, and I'll show y'all what I mean by thicker shock oil will not work in these shocks, and this is why. So let me go ahead and take a picture real quick or switch over to another camera. Okay, so I did not record that part. But what I was saying and what I meant to say is right here you have 4 holes in here, and each hole is probably about as big around as this little toothpick to some degree. And what happens, why is it focusing on that? Focusing on this. This is what I want you to focus on. But the oil is too thick, so it wouldn't go through any of the holes, which made the suspension not work properly while going up and down and fully extended. So yeah, that is why I'm using the thinner shock oil. I believe 45 is what comes in it. I have it at 47 right now, so it's a little thicker. But we're going to clean all these parts off get all the dust and dirt and nastiness off of them, and refill it with the good old Team Losi 40 weight shock oil. Yeah, buddy.
As the sun dips low, the sky breaks open and paints the water gold. Perfect ending to the day and another story to be told. Every little moment feels like I'm being lifted from the ground, floating and drifting as the world starts to settle down. Now that the daylight final faded away, wouldn't trade a single second from the day. So let's take the long way home. We got nowhere to be, and I'm not tired anymore. You get what you give, that's what I found. Love breeds love and comes back around. Plant another seed so we can climb back out. Watch it grow right through the solid ground. That's the honest truth to the happiness I found. Energy you give finds its way back around. Ocean breeze in a driftwood boat. Beat up sail, but it's still afloat. Salt on my skin, sun on my face. Wouldn't trade this for another place. We sail from shore to shore, chasing sunsets, wanting more. Waves rolling, we ride along. Every day feels like a brand new song. Blue skies, ocean spray, wouldn't have it any other way. Life gets wild, that's okay. We're just living for another day. Yeah, palm trees swaying in the afternoon. Campfire burning underneath the moon. Fresh caught fish and a coconut drink. Got a little more time than I need to think. Building shelters out of what we find. Leaving yesterday somewhere behind. No alarms, no city lights, just the stars lighting up the night. Barefoot walking through the sand. Everything I need is close at hand. If tomorrow brings another storm, we'll laugh it off and carry on. We sail from shore to shore, chasing sunsets, wanting more. Waves rolling, we ride along. Every day feels like a brand new song. Blue skies, ocean spray, wouldn't have it any other way. Life gets wild, that's okay. We're just living for another day. Something moving underneath, big thing cutting through the sea. Heart beats fast, but I just grin. Guess today we're diving in. Sometimes life gets rough around the edge. Sometimes all you got is what you've kept. Piece by piece we make it work. Every lesson's got its worth. Storm clouds.
Alright, so for the last shock, I'm actually going to change the camera to a close-up camera, and we're gonna pretty much clean it up and do it from there. So I'm gonna switch over that camera right about now, and I will see y'all after I'm done rebuilding this shock closer on the camera. So yeah, enjoy the close-up video view. Let me know in the comments down below which version you like more. Do you like this upper version more, or would you like it to be closer? Or would you like me to do a combination of both, if I can possibly do that? I might have to do a little work, but I think it's doable. So yeah, let me go ahead and switch over to a up-close view and enjoy the rest of the video.
New song, blue skies, ocean spray, wouldn't have it any other way. Life gets wild, that's okay. We're just living for another day. Ocean breeze in the fading sky. Watch the seabirds drifting by. One more wave and one more smile. Guess I'll stay here for a while. smoked out. Pick it up, roll that loud. Time stuck, now we're sitting in the clouds. Ain't no stress when we're all around. Sit back, spark that, let's smoke out. Smoked out, pick it up, roll that loud. Time stuck, now we're sitting in the clouds. Ain't no stress when we're all around. Sit back, spark that, let's smoke out. Light it up, pass it around, now we're getting smoked out. Eyes bloodshot, what's next now? Feel that burn up in your chest, only rolling up the best. Take a hit and lose the stress, smoke with me and catch your breath. Little purple haze, maybe blue dream. Either way, they got what you need. Clouds so thick you can't see the street. Floating high on that sticky green. One more spark, one more leaf. Let the smoke bring a little peace. No bad vibes, just good company. Living slow with that sticky green. Smoked out, pick it up, roll that loud. Time stuck, now we're sitting in the clouds. Ain't no stress when we're all around. Sit back, spark that, let's smoke out. Smoked out, pick it up, roll that loud. Time stuck, now we're sitting in the clouds. Ain't no stress when we're all around. Sit back, spark that, let's smoke out. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Untamed sound, DJ, run the track, run it. Bass, heavy, boom. Come rude boy, pump up the bass. Watch the gal them move in a place. Turn it up loud, make the whole place shake when the beat drop low. Yeah, we set the pace, stepping on the place, yeah, the vibe get loud. Big sound system, yeah, we drawing the crowd. Lights flash bright, see the gal them proud. Bassline rolling, yeah, she turn it around. DJ spin that box set, pull up one more. Bassline, I can feel it deep in that core. Everybody vibing, yeah, we begging for more. When the rhythm kick in, shake the whole dance floor. Come rude boy, pump up the bass. Watch the gal them move in our place. Turn it up loud, make the whole place shake when the beat drop low. Yeah, we'll set the pace.
Alright, and that will essentially wrap up this video. I gotta buy a new replacement for this because it's snapping right here. But anyways, that's it for this video. That was building the shocks and rebuilding the shocks. It wasn't a whole lot of technical jargon, but yeah. The next video will be my differential. We will rebuild that. But if y'all enjoyed this, do me a huge favor, smack that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to try to get more RC videos like this done and share them with y'all as I do them and show the results. But I will catch y'all later. Have a wonderful night, evening, morning, whenever it is. And as always, peace and love, everybody.